1. Which among the following statement is correct with respect to India's performance in the Paris Olympics 2024? 1. In all, India won 6 medals. 2. Manu Bhakar won the first medal for India. 3. Neeraj Chopra won a silver medal in javelin throw. 4. Aman Sehrawat won bronze in wrestling. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. A. Only 1 and 2. B. Only 1 and 3. C. Only 3 and 4. D. All statements are correct. Answer option D.
2. Which among the following statement is correct with respect to the civil disobedience movement? 1. The movement was proposed in the Lahore Congress of 1929. E. Gandhiji announced an 11-point ultimatum for Lord Irwin to abstain from the movement. E. After the Gandhi-Irwin Pact, Congress agreed to participate in the Third Roundtable Conference. 4. The movement could not achieve anything substantial. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. A. Only 1 E and 4. B. Only 1 E and E. C. Only 1 and E. D. Only E and 4.
Answer option A.
3. Find out the incorrect statement about Pandit Karuppan. A. Acharabhushanan was written by Pandit Karuppan. B. Karuppan organized the Kochi Pulaya Mahasabha in 1913. C. The King of Travancore honored him with the title Kavitilakam. D. In 1904 Pandit Karuppan was nominated to the Kochi Legislative Council.
Answer option C.
4. Name the plan initiated by Central Ministry to link rivers through a network of reservoirs and canals across India. A. National Conservation Plan. B. Sustainable Drainage Plan. C. Flood Forecasting Plan. D. Interlinking of Rivers Project.
Answer option D.
5. Identify right statement about Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. 1. First Biosphere Reserves of India. 2. Established in 1996. 3. Embraces the sanctuary complex of Wayanad, Nagarhole, Bandipur and southernmost island of Andaman and Nicobar. 4. Includes 2 endangered animal species, the Nilgiri tahr and the lion-tailed macaque. A. 1 and 2 are correct. B. 1 and E are correct. C. 1 and 4 are correct. D. 1, 2 and 4 are correct.
Answer option C.
6. Identify correct statements of glacial landform deposits. 1. Eskers are sand and gravel deposits in the middle of ground moraines. 2. Kames are small hills of sand and gravels deposited by meltwater. 3. Outwash plains are characterized by well-sorted sediment deposits. 4. The armchair-shaped landform cirque is a notable depositional landform. A. 1, 3 and 4 are correct. B. 3 and 4 are correct. C. 1, 2 and 3 are correct. D. All the above are correct.
Answer option C.
7. Which of the following statements are true? 1. Golden Revolution is associated with increasing the gold production in India. 2. Silver Revolution is associated with the increase in the production of eggs in India. 3. Yellow Revolution is associated with the increase in the production of oil seeds in India. A. Only 1 and 2. B. Only 2 and 3. C. Only 1. D. Only 3.
Answer option B.
8. Who is the chairman of the 16th Finance Commission? A. Arvind Subramanian. B. Amitabh Kant. C. Dr. C. Rangarajan. D. None of these.
Answer option D.
9. Which among the following is categorized as Maharatna Central Public Sector Enterprise by the Government of India? 1. Rural Electrification Corporation Limited. 2. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. E. Container Corporation of India Limited. 4. Neyveli Lignite Corporation Limited. A. 1 alone. B. 1 and 2 only. C. 2 alone. D. All of the above.
Answer option A.
10. The Right to Information Act came into existence after Supreme Court said that right to know is a fundamental right. In which case Supreme Court took this stand. 1. Raj Narain vs. S. State of UP. 1976. 2. Maneka Gandhi vs. S. Union of India. Air. 1978. 3. People's Union of Civil Liberties vs. S. Union of India. 2004. A. Only 1. B. Only 1 and 2. C. Only 1 and 3. D. All of the above.
Answer option C.